pulled up. My little raven crows are down there. Come here, guys. I got food for you. Birdies. They're down here in the corner. Let's see how close they'll let me get to throw them a little bit of food. There's one. Let's see if they look for me. There was like 5 of them over here. There's one in the tree calling, you can hear it. Saying, yeah, yeah. Some food? Look at, there they all are. Can't even believe it. They heard it. They're all sitting up in there. All right, I baited them. They saw me. All of them were looking at me, shaking my little cup with my food. Let's see what happens next.